Welcome to ZhYao, Victor. We are delighted to have you here. Thank you for visiting our facility. Company introduction. Patents and certifications. Technology R&D. Professional strength. We have a vast vision for development, drawing the brand blueprint, pioneering a new era of enterprise growth, craftsmanship, superior quality, synergy and cooperation, pursue a higher quality of qualities, better customer experience, our unwavering corporate beliefs. Hebei ZhYao Technology Company Limited. What can time change? For an artisan with faith in their craft, time is the most enduring constant. Through cycles of seasons and years of dedicated effort, looking back, there are countless stories. Looking ahead, there are greater expectations. Riding the waves and soaring high, we will write a new chapter for the future.
Year by year, we blaze new trails. With care, we honor our roots. To the future, we light new possibilities.